This is crypto arbitrage tutorial. So I will guide you on how to trade crypto arbitrage trading, and we have a challenge to flip this to 1,000 USDTs in 4 days. So we started a challenge and we got to 500, then I got busy, 500 USDTs, but now we are trading arbitrage, flipping 100 USDTs to 1,000 challenge. So you can click the link in my bio and join free arbitrage classes where you can join them on my Telegram channel. So after clicking the link in my bio, make sure you also chat me if you have any questions. So what is arbitrage? We should start with that. Arbitrage is buying assets at a low price in a centralized platform. That is Binance, Bybit, KuCoin, OKX. There are so many via P2P here. You buy your assets via P2P at a lower price and you sell them at a higher price in a decentralized platform. So how do you sell them? Just come on after buying your assets on Binance. Let's say you have 1,000 USDTs in Binance. Just come on Tranquilly, you click on deposit, then you click on USDTs, you continue. You can also do this using BTC, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. Then we'll enter amount 1,000. Then you come and copy your deposit address. So it is just a simple arbitrage tutorial. After that, go to your Binance. You click on assets, you click on send funds, then you click on withdrawal assets, then you click on USDT depending with the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Then you'll paste the address for Tranquilly. Then you'll enter network. If you are withdrawing USDT, make sure you enter TRC20, which is this one. After that, enter amount max, then you withdraw and you confirm. So after that, you'll go now and it will activate your trading bots, and also it will activate your arbitrage opportunities. So you'll come on P2P arbitrage after funding your Tranquilly. Then you click on sell. So you buy low on a Binance, then you sell them here. So on selling, you'll just come and enter amount 1,000. So if you sell 1,000 USDTs, you can get 2,010 USDTs in profits. But there is something called P2P fee. So it will deduct you some amount and you'll get 1,960, which 960 is your take profit. And remember, you can receive your funds in your external wallet also. You can be sent your profits direct to your Binance account. So you should not forget that. Then there is something called P2P arbitrage bots. So arbitrage bots, also mine is locked, but I will unlock today because the tutorial starts today. So make sure you are trading crypto arbitrage trading and you follow me. Give me a like so that we can be on the same page.